Forex trading is one of the best things you can ever do, especially if you get to learn it, master the skill with discipline, consistency, and good knowledge, and you have a good mentor who can help you through that process. Forex can be a really good side hustle, can be a really good skill to learn. It's just like programming, just like any skill you could learn anywhere else. But I want you to be aware of Forex scams. Any field that makes money and sometimes loses money will have lots of scams as well. A field that is financial but is open, and however much is regulated, but you can easily do it. You can open a platform and pretend to be trading Forex, or say you're trading Forex, or just do whatever you want. You can actually open your own platform if you're an IT person. So you might not even know what's happening, but the person might not even be a Forex person, but they have a platform that provides the service. But their intention is actually not to help you trade Forex. Their intention could be very different. So what are some of the Forex scams you should look for? And be very careful, because you know what? I don't want you to lose money, your hard-earned money, because you're trying to trade Forex. It's good to try to trade Forex, but as you come into the Forex world, be aware of these tricks that people will use on you and make you lose a lot of money. Number one, and this is very common in Kenya, is managed accounts. Or people put money together and one person is trading that money. That's just not possible. It's just not possible. It's more like they're trying to do what we call the managed accounts when it comes to stocks. The managed investments accounts are very different level and very different regulation level as well. And they're done differently in a very professional manner. But most of these managed accounts, you find just someone saying, oh, I know how to trade Forex, just give me your money, I'll be trading Forex for you. Number one, most of the time they don't know how to trade Forex, because trading Forex takes time. It takes a lot of patience, and even experienced traders still lose money. So let no one lie to you that they will never lose money. So the thing is, some of them could be genuine. But what happens once they get money from different people, expecting a lot of money from them within a specific timeline, they start losing money. They start having pressure. You don't want to come to the Forex market with a lot of pressure. You don't want to come there with someone expecting to get 10% monthly or 20%. Sometimes they come with ridiculous interest rates, which is something I'll mention as well. So be very careful with managed accounts. If you want to learn how to trade Forex, just learn how to trade Forex. If you want to invest in Forex, just invest in Forex. If you don't want it, then look for something else. Don't go into these managed accounts. They give you profits for 1, 2, 3 months, and then one day you come and all the money is gone, or the person is completely gone. Or genuinely the person has lost money because they were taking a very big position. If you don't understand what goes behind Forex trading, it's very difficult for you to actually understand how risky it is to give your money to someone to trade for you. So that's very important. Then Forex robots. That's another one. Forex robots. This idea of people selling robots doesn't work. If I have something that works for me, if I have a robot that works and makes me money, why on earth would I want to be selling it to a stranger online? The best thing I would do is call my family members, call everyone around me, make billions of money. Because if you actually know where the markets are going to go for sure with a robot, then you know what? You can make billions of money in a very short span of time. So why would someone be selling you a robot that actually makes money and they convince you that it makes money? So forget about it. These robots don't work. They'll be selling them on Telegram, on Instagram, on YouTube, everywhere. And just be sure that they won't work for you. And again, if you don't know what's happening, what happens is they actually use those robots to then trick you into putting so much money, and then you can't withdraw the money. Then the other one that is so common is Forex signals. Let's form a group, Telegram group, I'll give you the Forex signals. It doesn't work. We've been through all those trenches. It doesn't work. Forget about it. They're going to lie to you. They're going to give you fake signals. And at some point, they're going to want you to buy something from them. Either you'll be buying a course, or you'll be buying something, or you'll be joining some kind of Discord account whereby you guys have to pay some amount of money or some premium for you to get the best signals. So usually they start with the basic signals and then they get to the best signals. So I'm wondering, if someone wants to give you signals for you to join their premium account, will they give you the real signals? But again, even if I'm trading like I trade all the time, once I get to the market, I do not know how much time someone has to analyze the market, take a signal, send it to a group. They might work sometimes. So someone will send something that they have just guessed. It might work for you. You think that person is so good in sending signals. No, it doesn't work like that. If you know how Forex works, you know that sometimes someone will win even if they don't know what they're doing. So no Forex signals. Then brokers. Be very careful. In Forex trading, the broker is like your bank. Make sure you know your broker. Make sure you know what they're doing. Make sure you know if they're managed and regulated properly. Make sure you know where they are domiciled, where they created, where's the company registered. Make sure you know all these details about the broker. A lot of people are now coming with a platform and then you think they're a proper broker just because they have the platform. These are things that you can easily make. You can easily program it. You can easily even buy a platform. So don't think that having that platform makes someone a broker. What makes someone a broker is credibility. Can you deposit money easily? Can you withdraw money easily? Basically, you need to be able to ask questions. Is there customer service? Is there a direct line? Is there an office? You need to know all these details. There are so many brokers out there who are actually not real brokers. A lot of people have been scammed through brokers. So be careful. Then the wide spreads. So between the bid price and the asking price. Always know what is the natural one in the market. Of course, sometimes they will differ based on the broker because they get the signals differently and they want to price them differently. But make sure you know how wide is wide. Make sure you have different brokers to confirm sometimes if your broker is not playing you. That's possible, by the way. So make sure you know that. Then you want to look at the rules around withdrawals, and mainly withdrawals and deposits, but mainly when you want to get your money. I always tell people, if it is easy to deposit your money into that system, it should be easy to take your money out. If you realize there are so many rules about taking your money out, or you need to do this, or you need to do this, if it's not straightforward, let that broker be. So you need to ask them beforehand how the withdrawal process happens and what should you expect and how many days and why. So these are things you need to know about these people. So again, the last and the most important part is the interest that they pay you. If someone is going to trade for you and want to pay you a high interest, just know they're taking very high risks. So even if they're genuinely trading, they are taking very high risk and they're using leverage, which is just debt. If anything happens, your money is gone. So these are some of the things you want to look out for. Don't just go blindly into Forex trading. If you want to learn how to trade Forex, learn how to trade Forex and then trade it yourself at your own time, at your own pace, without any pressure, without any issues. You risk what you can lose and you know what, you're comfortable.